Welcome. In front of me I have Fossil Gen 6 FTW4066 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. The thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the watch face, the current screen, the home screen basically. Press the middle button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. No, my bad, the settings icon. In settings, find the option called the display, and once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll down and find the option called screen timeout. It's at the bottom. Once you find it, select it, and here we have a list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 15 seconds. Select the one you like, for example 10 seconds, tap on the check mark, and now my screen timeout duration is set to 10 seconds. So the screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. So if you won't do anything to the watch for 10 seconds, the screen will turn off like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.